subscribe with notifications on.
Right, guys. Today I want to share something with you guys. Regards to good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Today I want to share something with you guys. In regards to the videos that we've been taking. Um, guys, it's very. I've got a problem. With good evening, guys. 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 Today, guys, I want to quickly share some few things with you guys. That is in regards to the interviews that we've been doing. Guys, we did a lot of interviews, street interviews about Africans, mostly South Africans versus foreign African brothers and sisters. Guys, I've got a concern, I don't know lie. Yeah. So, guys, I've got a concern. My only concern that I have with South Africans is the fact that it seems as if us as South Africans we have this anger, anger that we have. The interview that I did was about our African brothers and our South African brothers. I mean, we've got guys who are coming from different countries. Who are actually coming to our shows in South Africa. But guys, listen to me. South Africans, guys, you've got anger. Is it only South Africans or is this happening with the rest of Africa? I don't know. If this is the case, guys, we need to stop it. We need to stop it, really stop it. It is not healthy, for us as Africans, the way we live our lives. We've got too much hatred amongst each other. Why? Why do we hate each other? Why do we have to hate each other like these guys? What's happening? We did interviews about what is the difference between South African guys, South African men, and other foreign African nationals. People are coming from, Ghana, Nigeria, Congo. Hey guys, I'm feeling a bit cold. Let me quickly get my jacket. I'm feeling cold, guys. It's very cold here. Very, very, very cold. Yeah. So, guys, I'm shocked. Why do we treat each other like this? Why do we treat each other like animals? Why don't we treat each other nicely, like, like white people. White people, they love each other. White people, if they see you suffering, they are able to assist each other. They are able to lift each other up. But for us, it's always hatred, 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 hatred. I've got a concern, when we spoke about, why do our South African women prefer dating foreign African guys out there? A lot of people went through our channel, they attacked us. There was a lot of comments. Some of the comments, guys, I didn't even approve them. It was difficult. You could see these comments. It's comments of hate. It's like these people wanted to fight. Guys, we cannot live like this. Why do we live like this? Why do we have to live like animals? Why do we have to live like animals? South Africans, African brothers, why do we fight amongst each other? I mean, it was a simple interview. Simple interview. We went out there to ask to get opinions about, to get to understand why our South African fellow South Africans, why our fellow South African women are running away from dating our South African guys. Most of them, they prefer dating these foreign African men. As we continued with our interviews, I kind of realized that it's true what some of the guys were saying on those interviews, on those videos. The comment section, it's very hot. If you look at those videos that we actually did interviews, guys, I don't want to lie. You'll be shocked that most of South Africans are very angry. They've got anger. Yo,